concerns continue to grow about COVID-19 here in the Carolinas.
Yeah, listen to this. North Carolina is approaching 100,000 confirmed cases. The state hit another record for new daily cases at nearly 2,500. The average over the last 7 days is more than 2,100. Hospitalizations are down slightly from Friday's record high. Now, South Carolina has temporarily stopped reporting how many COVID patients are in the hospital, and it's because the state says it's moving to a new system for tracking that data. DHEC reported nearly 1,500 new cases, but says that their report is incomplete because of a data issue. The number of new cases may be higher. 21% of Friday's tests came back positive. The CDC now projects more than 17,000 more Americans could die from the virus by the end of the first week of August, and it would add to the 140,000 who've already died, which includes more than 2,700 in the Carolinas.
We have heard state leaders in the Carolinas for months talk about the importance of both testing and contact tracing to stop the spread. But all new this morning, there could be a fight in Washington about how much money to put toward those measures. CNN reports some Senate Republicans want the CDC to get more money for states to test and trace. And that money would come in the next round of stimulus spending, set to be presented in the coming days. But the White House says that's not necessary because there's still money left over from the stimulus passed in March. So far, Senate leaders haven't released many specifics about that new stimulus package, including how much money to give out and which Americans would get it. Another struggle here is delays in both testing and results. But now there's some good news. The FDA just gave emergency approval to something that could help. Quest Diagnostics can now test up to 4 people at once, and the FDA says this will help get tests out faster and save supplies. And one of the reasons for testing delays in North Carolina is that the state is short on chemicals that process those tests.
Today, a Charlotte church wants to make sure families still have healthy meals in this crisis. Nexus Church Charlotte will give away milk, fruit, and veggies to anyone in need. You don't have to register ahead of time. Just go to Bruton Drive in the Double Oaks neighborhood. That's in North Charlotte from 12:30 to 2:30 this afternoon. And from food to housing, nonprofits across North Carolina have really stepped up to help. And now there's a fund in the works to help them if they may be struggling to meet the demand. The North Carolina Community Foundation is creating a Healing Communities Fund. And the money raised will provide resources for nonprofits, especially in more rural areas.
Whether it's food, health support, human resources, mental health services, I mean, it really across the gamut.
The foundation is forming a committee to come up with grants. The nonprofits that get funding are expected to be named in the fall. Channel 9 is also committed to helping our community, specifically addressing Charlotte's affordable housing problems. And we're partnering with Crisis Assistance Ministries to help families facing eviction who can't afford their utilities. We set up a special site, 9crisishelp.com, where you can donate. So far, you've helped us raise more than $33,000. Crisis Assistance will use every dollar to help a family in our area. Again, 9crisishelp.com.